Hello everyone, welcome to part 138 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the Laravel coupon codes, and in this video we are going to work on the edit functionality for our discount coupons. In the last video we have seen that we are able to add the coupons, okay, from the add coupon form. Okay, we able to add some of the coupons, and after adding those coupons I'm going to add one more coupon. Okay, like I can add this time 200 rupees coupon, and the coupon I'm going to select the automatic coupon that will automatically get generated, and I will add some of the categories as well, some of the brands as well, and some of the users as well, for which I'm going to provide the coupon. And I'm going to add the expiry date and will click on submit, and you can see the coupon has been generated at last. This coupon has been generated that you are going to see. Okay, so you can just click on id and it will come in the descending order. So the new coupon has been generated with 200%, but here now you can see here is one issue. This coupon is just for the 200 INR. It is not for the percentage. Okay, so see here, so we have made some mistake. So this time we are required to edit the coupon, because I want to change it to INR, okay, INR or USD, but not in the percentage, because 200% coupon I'm not going to give that coupon. That is not possible at all. Okay, so at that time we require the edit functionality, so we are going to work on the edit functionality straight away. Okay, so let's start. uh, I'm going to modify the add edit coupon function in the coupons controller. I'm going to open the coupons controller, and here I'm going to modify the add edit coupon function. And here you can see that this one is for the add coupon and this one is for the edit coupon. And we already know that while adding the coupon, we are selecting some of the categories, brands, as well as the users in array. So we are going to, in edit we are going to show them, like if I'm going to edit some coupon, we are required to show like this. Okay, so that's why what we are going to do, we are going to take the coupon information from the coupons table. Here it is. Like see, I'm going to collect these data, like the categories data is coming, all the categories are coming separated by the comma, brands are coming separated by the comma, and users are coming separated by the comma. So I'm going to explode and going to explode, and uh, then we'll return it to the blade file. Okay, going to explode them and return it to the blade file, so that we can automatically select those when the admin is try to edit the coupon. Okay, so here I'm going to open that page also, add edit coupon. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to here will take the variables, and let's take, I'm going to take here. Okay, so first one is select cats. I'm going to take it like this, select cats. It's for the selected categories. Here I will just take the arrays, because here in case of add we are not going to show anything. We are going to show all the categories in unselected format. Okay, and select users as well, and select brands as well. Okay, so I'm going to copy these three and will paste here as well. But here what we are going to do, here we are going to explode this one, the I'm going to explode with the comma. Okay, I'm going to explode with the comma, and what is coming there, dollar coupon, dollar coupon, and I'm going to take that categories. Okay, see here we are fetching the coupon details. In case of edit, here we are fetching the coupon details, and with this coupon I'm going to pick these categories and going to explore them. Okay, and we'll send this one. Here I'm going to close this post method straight away, and we'll send this one here. Okay, uh, select cats I'm going to send, select users I'm going to send, and also I'm going to send the select brands. Okay, this one also I'm going to send. Sorry, B is in caps. Okay, like this. Okay, so I'm going to send all these three, And now here I'm going to copy this one uh, for users as well as for the brands. For users I'm going to give here the users, and for brands I'm going to give here the brands. Okay, so now it's fine, categories, users as well as the brands. Okay, so all we are going to send here return like this. Okay, so now I'm going to open here, add edit coupon. Here I'm going to select first of all these categories that we are sending. Okay, I'm going to select these. So here, like, this is the option. Here I'm going to select okay, so the data that is coming to us. So we are going to use the in array to check whether this id is located in one of the ids that we are going to send in this array. Okay, so we are going to use here the in array. Here I'm going to use it at the rate of if in array. Okay, in array, first I'm going to give this one that we are required to search in the array, and then comma, then the array, which array, and then the uh, that select cat array. Okay, that I'm going to copy this one. Okay, we are going to search in this array that if this id is there in this array. So whatever id will come, we are going to search here in these ids. If it match, then we are going to select. Okay, then we are going to select this one, select like this. And if, okay, so same thing we are going to do with the here as well. Here only change is here we are going to give here subcat. Okay, and same thing we are going to do here as well, and only change is here we are going to give here subcat. Okay, I'm going to check now. I'm going to edit now. Okay, let's see if it will work fine. I'm going to edit this one, test 10, and you can see I able to select. Okay, all the categories are selected here. So if I will check the last one that we have added, so only few categories must be selected. Yes, okay, we able to select the few ones. Okay, like this we are going to do with the brands as well, and we are going to do with the users as well. Okay, and with the brands what we are going to do, here we are going to add, once again we are going to use that I'm going to copy that one. Okay, it will save our time. And here once again we are using here in array, and this time I'm going to use here brand id. I'm going to compare with these selected brands. I'm going to take this one that we are returning from there. So we are going to select some of the brands here, and you can see yes, we have selected some of the brands. So in the same way we are going to do with the users as well. Okay, here I'm going to paste it once again, and this time I'm going to select the user. Okay, I'm going to select here. uh, Here I'm going to select the user. I'm going to search for this user in the user array. This is the user array. I'm going to search here, and let's see if I can able to show some of the users that we have added the last time. Yes, so finally we are able to select those particular categories, brands as well as the users. Now the admin can able to add more or remove these one, or can add more like this. Okay, whatever change he want to make, he can able to see that what changes he required to make. Okay, so other than this, one more thing we need to do here, coupon option will not come again, coupon code will not come. So few of the things will not come in the edit. See, we can't able to update the coupon code, but we are going to show the coupon code that the admin generated the last time, but he can't able to update those coupon. Okay, so the coupon option as well as the coupon code, we are going to add the condition for that. Okay, so here after card body I'm going to add one condition here at the rate of if empty, here dollar coupon, coupon code, if dollar coupon code is empty. Okay, so in this case I'm going to show this one coupon option, coupon code. uh, okay, fine. And else, here I'm going to add the else, and here here also and if, okay, like this. And now here what we are going to show, we are going to first send this coupon option as well as the coupon code as the hidden variables, because in edit as well we require those. Okay, input type as hidden. Okay, so here one is I'm going to send here the coupon option. Okay, so here the value we are going to send it like the dollar coupon coupon option. Okay, so other than this, one more we are going to take here the coupon code as well as the input. uh, okay, coupon code here, this one also as hidden variable. And yeah, one more thing, we are going to show this coupon code as well here as the read only, so that the user will come to know that for which coupon he is going to make a change. Okay, I'm going to take here the form group. Okay, and here I'm going to add the coupon label. In label we are going to give here the coupon code, and in span I can just simply give the coupon here span and that coupon code. Okay, so let's see how it will look. Okay, so this change is necessary, let's see. Okay, so there is some spacing also we can give here, some nbsp after coupon code, so that there must be some space after this one. Okay, so this data we can show like this. Okay, coupon code, one few more, no, it must be fine. Okay, so now this one coupon code we have just shown it like this. And after that coupon type, okay, coupon type he can able to change, but we are going to show the correct coupon type whatever he selected last time. Okay, so for that once again we are going to add the condition here. Here not, we are not going to show the checked like this. uh, we are going to add the condition here. If is set, we need to see that whether the coupon uh, uh, is all coupon type is already selected last time or not. Coupon type means if it is selected then it must come coupon type this and dollar coupon type must be equal to coupon type equal to whatever the see, it must equal to this one time, the single time. Okay, then single time like this, then we are going to checked. Okay, we are going to test checked and if. Okay, and the same thing we are going to add here as well. Okay, and here I'm going to add the multiple times. So let's see what's going to. So single time is the last time we have added it as the single time, so single time is selected. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you, like now at the time of the addition of the coupon, there is nothing is going to select, we are not going to select anything. So required, see, the user is required to fill one of the fields here. So there is one more condition we can add here, like in case of single time, uh, we can add one more condition, like at the rate of else if is not is set. Okay, is not is set. Let's see if it will work, I'm not sure. Dollar coupon here like this, and in this case also we are going to check like this. Okay, let's see if it will work fine for the add coupon. Yes, it is working fine. And for the edit coupon as well. So suppose if I will select the multiple, then it must show the multiple. Okay, so that we are going to test later on. Okay, so let's come to the amount type. Okay, for amount type as well, we are going to add the condition like this. Okay, I'm just going to copy this one and we'll paste it here. And here instead of coupon type, I'm going to give here the amount type. Okay, and here we are going to select, we are going to compare it with the percentage. Okay, like we have done this one, I'm going to copy this one and we'll add here for the fix as well. But here this one is not required. So this condition we can move. Okay, like this. Okay, so we can just check it as well. Fine. And for the amount as well, we are going to show the value for the amount. Okay, if there is any amount, we are going to show it straight away. Okay, so we will just pick this one and we are going to show it. Okay, if there is any amount, just we are going to show it. So this one we have already done. Category, brand, user expiry date as well, we are going to show its value as well if its value is coming in case of audit. Okay, so once again we are going to show here its value, dollar coupon and expiry date. So all the data must come now. Let's see. Okay, it's fine. Just the amount is not coming. See, because it is the added coupon, I'm going to remove this one and we'll check here. The amount must also come. Yes, amount is coming and expiry date is also coming. Every field is selected. Okay, so now this time I'm going to make some changes. Like multiple times I have selected fixed coupon this time, that we have wrongly selected last time percentage, now fixed. Okay, and I have added the other categories. Instead of this one, I have selected the electronics and appliances, and Nike and Puma I have selected, and I have selected the this one, the similarity, and I will it simply increase the expiry date. Okay, and click on submit and we'll see if the changes have come or not. Okay, so I'm going to open it once again and we'll see if the changes have been made. Yes, you can see now it's the fixed coupon and it is for the multiple time. Earlier it was for the single time and just for the percentage. Now it is fixed. Now it is fine. This one is actually the fixed coupon 200. If you are adding here the 200 amount, then it must be fixed only. Okay, and you can see the change in the categories as well. This time we have selected the electronics and appliances. The last time we have added clothing, men and t-shirts. Okay, and the brands also changed. We have now added the Nike and Puma, and last time we have added the Arrow and Gap. And the user also we have selected this user as well along with the other users. Okay, and the expiry date also we have updated to the month of Feb 2024, at the end of the month of Feb 2024. So we able to update the coupon details. Okay, so only thing that don't change, that is the coupon code, and rest of the details, coupon details, you can able to update at your end. Okay, so our see, we able to edit the coupon. So now it's the time to apply the coupon at the front end. Okay, so in the next video we are going to apply this coupon at the front end. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.